Imagine this. You are standing in line at a beautiful coffee shop. You've practiced your order in your head 10 times. One medium latte, please. Easy, right? But then the barista looks at you and asks, "Do you want any extra shots or a specific milk?" Suddenly, your mind goes blank. Your heart starts racing, your throat feels tight, and that perfect English sentence you had, it's gone. You just stand there, nodding and saying, "Yes, okay, thank you." Does that sound familiar? That frozen feeling is the number one thing that stops English learners from reaching fluency. But today, we are going to melt that ice. I want you to know something. You are not alone. Even as a coach, I've been there. When I was first learning my second language, I walked into a bakery. I wanted to ask for bread, but I got nervous and accidentally used a word that sounded like shoes. The baker just stared at my feet, confused. I felt my face turn bright red. I wanted to disappear, but that moment taught me that freezing doesn't happen because your English is bad. It happens because your brain is trying to be perfect. We feel like we're taking a test, but life isn't a test, it's a conversation. Okay, let's get into our classroom moment. To stop freezing, you need a bridge to help your brain catch up with your mouth. We call these the lifeboat phrases. When your mind goes blank, don't just stay silent. Use a filler word. This tells the other person, "I am still talking, I just need a second." Don't say nothing at all, in total silence and staring at the floor. Do say, "That's a good question, let me see." Or, how do you say, someone asks, "What did you do last weekend?" Instead of freezing because you forgot the past tense of buy, you say, "Oh, let me think. Well, I went to the mall and let's see. I bought some new clothes." Using phrases like "to be honest," "actually," or "well" gives your brain 3 extra seconds to find the right word. Now, let's practice together. This is the interactive part of our podcast today. I'm going to ask you a question. I want you to use a filler phrase like "well" or "let me think" before you answer. Don't worry about being perfect. Ready? Here is your question. What is your favorite way to relax after a long day? Great job. Even if you only said one word, you spoke. That is a victory. The more you bridge the silence, the less you will freeze. Remember, the goal of English is communication, not perfection. People don't care if your grammar is 100% correct. They care about connecting with you. Every time you speak, even if you're nervous, you are getting stronger. What is one situation where you always feel nervous speaking English? Tell me in the comments below. I'll be there to give you some specific lifeboat phrases to help you out. See you in the next lesson.